What's up, guys? Today we have my very own Honda Accord 2011 to detail the leather interior, so let's get started. Right, guys, this is a very simple job, so let's start with regular tap water to remove the dirt and grime. In this case, I'm starting with the door panel. Moving on in the process, we applied a coat of regular leather cleaner and used a leather brush to start the foaming process. Make sure you do it thoroughly. This process will remove all the dirt and grime from the leather. After we are satisfied, we can wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Moving on to the front driver's seat, we will repeat the same process. Usually, the front driver's seat gets the dirtiest, so we need to pay a little bit more attention to this detail. And again, we wipe the excess off. Okay, so moving on. Now we're doing the front passenger seat. Depending on the car's use, on this one in particular, I am the only driver, so this seat is usually the cleanest. Moving on to the front passenger door panel, we do the same treatment. Now we have started applying leather conditioner to the seat after we have achieved a good results after cleaning it. And we do the same for the door panel. Well, guys, moving on to the rear of the car. And we are done with this detail. If you like this video, give a like, leave a comment below, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.